Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show and discuss one of the new feature which is introduced in the Postman recently. Okay, so now using the Postman, we can do also performance testing of the APIs. So this new feature is introduced in the Postman, and this is available in the Canary version, not the normal version of the Postman. So if we want to start, so we need to get request to download the Canary version, right? So this is the one post you can see here. How will my API perform real world simulation? How will response the time change when multiple? So it means we can do performance testing by using the Postman. So if we want to look these features, then we need to send the request early access. So click on this, you will see this link, and here you submit your email ID and job title and sign up. After that you will get the links, emails to download the Canary version. So I have already downloaded and installed in my system, so let's see. So this is the Postman Canary version. Click on this. Postman Canary app version is opened, and I have already created some collections, so you can see the collections are available in this workspace. uh, so I am going to show you how we use the performance testing features from the Postman, which is recently introduced. So let's select the collection here. Like I selected the pets API. Here you can see the run button. Click on the runs tab, and then you have here you can see multiple tabs: past runs, scheduled runs, performance runs, right? So select the performance runs, and here you will see the previous execution of the test. And now next at the bottom you can see there is a runner, bottom right side there is a runner option. Click on this, and you will see this execution configuration open. So first tab is the here performance functional tab. Second tab is the performance. So select the performance, and in this section you will see there is a message, right? Test how your APIs perform under load, and this is the beta version. So this is not released with the stable version, and that's why we are using here Canary app. So now they have here is the option to set up your performance test. We can configure virtual user, test duration, as well as the load profile. So three options are available here. So in virtual user we can set up how many virtual user we need to run the test for performance. Like suppose that here there is a 20, so in that case 20 virtual user will start running the API test. Then there is a test duration 10. This is the times in the minute. So what time we are passing up to this time, our test will keep running. Load profile have two types. One is the fixed, second is the ramp up. In a fixed profile, basically at the beginning, right, when we start running, then all the 20 users, virtual users on board and start hitting the APIs. But if we go with the ramp up configuration, so in the ramp up configuration, we need to pass here the time when we want to ramp up all the users to start hitting the APIs. So like here there are 10 test duration 10 minutes, and we pass here 5 minutes for the ramp up. So you can see the graph after the 5 minutes, all the 20 virtual users will start hitting, but before that users one by one start onboarding on the execution. So let's reduce this time. So I am giving the 2 minutes execution, 1 minute ramp up time with 5 virtual users, right? So this is my configuration. I am going to run on this configuration, this just for the example. And now you can see run button is disabled just because here there is no collections are available. So drag the collection, which collection you want to run for performance testing. So I am going to here pets API. So selected here, uncheck the first one, only you're going to hit the last three APIs. Click on run button. Here you can see preparing to run QA. This environment 5 virtual user, 2 minute ramp up time is 1 minute, and now here execution is started. Okay, if I scroll down here, all the three APIs which we have automated request, you can see here, and these are the basically runtime times. You can see this is the average response what we are getting. We can filter this with minimum as well as the maximum. So what we need, we can filter to see the graphs data. Okay, so and real time runtime, we can also see here the request max minimum response time, a request, how many requests sent, total request, right, max minimum. So error, if there is any errors are available in any request, we can see also this. So it will run up to 2 minutes, and after that it will complete the execution. So these response times are in millisecond. You can see response time. So this data is a response time in the millisecond. And here you can see this is the average response graph data. And this is the time duration, like when we are running our test. So this showing the time execution time. Okay, so this is the summary here. Here we can get the minimum average response time, minimum response time, as well as the maximum response time. And the execution is completed. Now you can see here run button, 0% error. We can see total average response time we have like 246 millisecond, and request 4.81 request per second it's sent. Total request sent 615. Okay, so these are the data we can capture and analyze the response details, response time. So hope this will be helpful to understand how we use the Postman performance testing features to run our API test for performance testing. And if you like the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe the channel, and share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching the video.